I think the Prince of Tennis stay in this condo, you know. Oh, Alan, the tennis ball stuck there. If you come and see this house, I'm gonna take one for you. You wait. Brand new listing. Stay in the unit, yet you still can collect rental. Welcome to 4-bedder dual key in Heron Bay. Hey, so my focus is always to the point. Chop home tour. Heron Bay 2015 TOP. Only 394 units. Yet full condo facilities. Right? Let's go and see the unit. Hey, come, let's see the unit. Hey, before we go in, I want to tell you this is a 1389 square feet 4-bedder dual key. One level, only 4 units. On a high floor unblocked view, river view also. So to the right side is the studio, left side is the 3-bedder. You see the studio first. So this studio is huge. If you put your beds here, king size, queen size, no issue. If not, this is your work from home station. You can work here while your children play by the side, so you can watch them. He has his own kitchenette, put your fridge, put your washing machine. And if you rent out, the last transacted rental for this studio is 2001. So the studio also has its own balcony. Child safety, slip track, all done. 100% privacy, morning sun, unblocked view. Welcome to the site for the 3-bedder. Wall-to-wall distance 3 meters. Proper living area, huge, and dining area. But let me show you if you want to move this outside, to where. And here will be your children's play area as well. Welcome to the 3-bedder balcony. This is the same view as the studio, and this is the only stack in Heron Bay. No west sun, unblocked view, greenery, river view, high floor. Have a look. So the balcony actually links to the first common room. Now I have a super single. You can fit a queen size bed if you want to. And let's go to the next common room. Welcome to the second common room in the 3-bedder side. Currently used as a children's room. Got a super single bed. Have a look. Just nice one. Master bedroom. Hey, don't have to say one. This room sells by itself. Queen size bed for illustration. Full length window. Unblocked view. Huge room. Astente. 4-step efficient kitchen. Okay, today don't film that lah. So this is a huge kitchen, suitable for your beautiful family. If you cook every day, this is just nice. Connected to your storeroom. But storeroom today cannot film. My boss said very particular, so today don't film. You come and view itself, I will show you. Behind you is the huge window for beautiful lighting and ventilation. Heron Bay, we have a shuttle bus to Hougang MR. Directly outside the side gate, cross the road only. We got supermarket, eateries, clinics, everything you need, just beside only. So this 4-bedder dual key, 1389 square feet in Heron Bay is waiting for you. If you want to view, no rush. I'll see you